Hello YouTubers! In today's tutorial, we're going to make a captivating YouTube thumbnail using the power of artificial intelligence with Wepik's editor. Let's get started. Our first step is to generate visuals for our thumbnail with the AI image generator. For this tutorial, our topic is bakery. Next, we'll pick a pre-made template from the YouTube thumbnail selection. With so many great options, you're sure to find something that suits your style. With our template and image ready, it's time to open up our editor. Here, we can make all sorts of edits to customize our thumbnail. A good thumbnail needs an attractive title. Thankfully, Wepik's AI writer can help you with that. Let's generate a catchy title for our bakery-themed YouTube video. Now, let's add some finishing touches. Adjust colors, change fonts, add elements, make your thumbnail stand out. Once you're happy with the result, it's time to download it. Remember to choose a PNG format for the best quality. Finally, upload your new thumbnail to your YouTube video and impress your viewers. Creating an eye-catching YouTube thumbnail has never been easier. That's Wepik, design made easy for your business.